YouTube! What's up, guys? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's your boy James back with another banger. And today we're going to take a look at the Jordan Brand released North Carolina Michael Jordan Collegiate Jersey. So this jersey that we're looking at today retails for $120 and it highlights Michael Jordan's collegiate career with the North Carolina Tar Heels. He spent 3 years with the North Carolina Tar Heels, and he even hit the game-winning shot in the 1982 National Championship game against Georgetown, which was led by Patrick Ewing. During his 3 years with the North Carolina Tar Heels, he averaged 17.7 points per game on 54% shooting, and he also added 5 rebounds per game. And he was selected to the NCAA All-American First Team in both his sophomore and junior seasons. And then Michael Jordan gave up his last year of eligibility and went into the NBA in 1984, where he was drafted by the Chicago Bulls. He later returned to North Carolina to complete his degree in 1986, where he graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in geography. So if you're thinking about picking up one of these $120 Michael Jordan college jerseys, then I hope that this review can help you. So in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this jersey. We're gonna do a full detailed review. I'm gonna hit you with an unbody, and then I'm gonna leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this Michael Jordan North Carolina Tar Heels jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support. It means so much to me. I really do appreciate you guys. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James, and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it, and thank you in advance. And if you're new here or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So there's a lot of Michael Jordan North Carolina jerseys out there that have been released. You know, Nike's been releasing them for years. Mitchell & Ness actually has some too. And you know, now Jordan Brand is releasing them. And I bought this through the Nike website for 120 bucks. Now, as I was reading the description and everything, it said it did have, you know, stitch numbering and stitch lettering and stuff like that. So, you know, I figured for 120 bucks, I would check it out to see what the quality was like. And to bring you guys this review to see maybe if you wanted it, because for 120 bucks, if it is stitched and it has good quality and it feels good, you know, as far as comfortability goes, then, you know, this might be a great pickup. So the jersey is in this plastic bag, and here's an up-close clip of the jersey and how it comes. So if you do purchase this jersey, this is how you should expect it to arrive to you. All right, so let's open this up. All right, so we got a lot of tissue paper, or just a big piece, couple big pieces there of tissue paper, and bam! So my first impression, it does actually have a little bit of weight to it. It actually has, you know, more weight to it than like a typical Nike authentic NBA jersey. And this colorway is hitting something fierce. Yo, this thing is fire right out of the bag, man. I love that baby blue, you know, Carolina blue color. So dope. But now that we got this jersey out of the bag, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this Michael Jordan North Carolina jersey. Okay, so here's our first up-close look at this Michael Jordan collegiate jersey. Alright, so starting at the top, you have this North Carolina patch in gold that is embroidered to the jersey, and this actually wraps around to the back. And then you have this Jordan Brand tag, and this is a size large. And then you have a whole bunch of tags. You got this like collegiate hologram thing, collegiate licensed product, retail price tag of $120, standard fit tag, dry fit material, made with at least 75% recycled fibers. On the right hand side of the chest, you're going to have this white Jordan Jumpman, and it is screen printed on there, but it does have this rubbery feel to it. And then in the middle of the jersey, you're going to start to have your lettering and numbering. So you have your North, then you have that iconic number 23, and the Carolina there at the bottom. Now, this is all stitched into the jersey, but it is single twill. So that's like your basic, most cheapest way to embroider a jersey. But it is done well. I don't see like a bunch of threads coming out or anything. So, I mean, a little bit of higher quality on this jersey than, let's say, a Swingman. Now, on each side of the jersey, you're going to have this blue, white, and black checkered pattern. And then you have this slit cutout that's on both sides. And then on the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have this Jordan jock tag. And that is embroidered into the jersey as well, single twill. Inside the jersey, you're going to have your laundry tag. And this is made in Thailand. And it says that it is 100% polyester. And now we're moving to the back of the jersey. So at the top, you have this gold patch that is embroidered into the jersey that wraps around to the front, just like we looked at before. And this says Elite. And then below that, you have your Jordan lettering that is stitched into the jersey, single twill. And then that iconic number 23, single twill as well, just like the front. So far, I'm really impressed with the quality that we have on this jersey. I didn't think it was going to be as nice as it is. And considering that like a Nike Swingman jersey is $110, this being $120 retail is a really good price because you do get the embroidered lettering and numbering on this jersey. So if this is something that you're, kind of been looking at or are interested in, just know that the quality on this is actually better than I thought. But let me go ahead and throw this thing on and show you what it looks like on body. So is this Michael Jordan jersey worth 120 bucks? I actually do think it is. The material of the jersey is actually really nice. You got your numbers and your lettering that is sewn onto the jersey. And even though it's just single twill, it's not double stitch or triple stitch, like a more expensive jersey or something, it is very nice. And for 120 bucks, I don't think you can beat this. Now, as far as sizing goes, I recommend going true to size with this jersey. So whatever you typically normally wear as far as jerseys or even shirts, so if you typically wear a medium or a large or an extra large, definitely buy that size in this jersey. Now, unless you're planning on doing something like wearing some bulky hoodie or something like that underneath of that, because we're in the colder winter months now, go true to size. But I want to know what you think of this pickup that I got. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think of this Jordan Brand North Carolina Tar Heels jersey. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Is this trash? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't done so already, please destroy that like button for me. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.